Hello, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to this demonstration and test of a vintage manual conical burr coffee grinder made in the 1930s by Dienes. This one is a model 409. Test is, as it always is, we're going to take 7 grams of coffee beans. We're going to set the grinder to its finest setting with the burrs just touching, and we're going to see how the grinder does both for speed and fineness of grind. So that's about 18 turns of the handle there, making it a pretty fast grinder. Let's have a look at the grind. Well, as you can see, that's a good classic fine grind. Not quite powdery, not quite compacting, but good enough for most coffee makers, possibly espresso. You'd have to look at the requirements of your individual coffee maker. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to have a look at the links at the end of the video or in the description, and happy grinding.